how to link your social club account with Steam. Now, if you go ahead and pull up the Rockstar Games launcher, there is actually no option there for you to be able to link your account with any platforms. Now, you'll just have to access your Rockstar Games launcher and then go to Manage Account, and you will automatically be routed with the Rockstar Games website. Now, if we go to our profile and then head directly to Account and Settings, this will be able for us to know on what are the platforms that we just successfully linked our account with Social Club. So as you can see, there is no Steam option right here. So what we can do is you'll just have to close everything and then access your Steam application right here. So we'll just have to make sure that you are currently logged into your account, and once you have successfully pull up the account, all you have to do next is go to add a game and then simply choose on add a non-Steam game. Now from here, all you have to do is just simply choose on your Rockstar game launcher, or if you cannot find it here, just simply use your search bar from the search list. Just type in Rockstar Games and just have to check on that and then click add selected programs, and then once you have successfully added Rockstar Games launcher to this window right here, you should be able to see it here under your game library. It will automatically create a shortcut once you have added a non-Steam game from the Rockstar Games launcher. Then once you access it, you will be able to play games from your Rockstar Games using the Steam. So that's basically it. That's the only way that we can link our Rockstar Social Club to our Steam account.